Welcome to another 123 intro video. I'm coming to you from my office, so you can see it's kind of messy in the background. But anyway, I wanted just to talk about Webwork for a little bit. So when you log into your class, right, you're going to see the announcement page. It's always going to come up first. And Webwork is our online homework system we're going to use for the majority of our homework. So you see this button, Webwork Homework. So the first time that you click this, you're going to need to log in. I've already logged in. Let me log out. Okay, so when you get there, you're going to need to log in first. Now, I had to set everybody up for this. So I used your Ivy Tech username. So like my name is Becky Menning. So my username is B Menning. For my password for Webwork, my password is also B Menning. So the very first time you log in, your username and password will be the same, and they're your Ivy Tech username. So B Menning, I type in B Menning down here for the password and I hit continue. Now this is exactly what you're gonna see when you log in. You're gonna see all of the homework listed down with the due dates. But the first thing you wanna do, change your password. So you wanna go to user settings and you'll see Becky Menning's current password, and then you're gonna wanna change it because otherwise everybody who knows your username, B Menning, can get into your Webwork, which maybe you don't care, but maybe you should. So change your password, and then I just want to talk a little bit about the homework sets. And I'm going to look at homework 2, just to kind of walk you through what this is going to look like. Homework 2 has a lot of problems because there's a lot in that section. Most sections do not have 26 problems. Some only have 4, some have 7. I would say probably an average is close to 10. So there's just a lot going on. You can see that in homework 2, some of these problems already have attempts because I was kind of playing around, seeing what was going to pop up. We've made a few changes to Webwork from last semester to this semester. So I just kind of want to show you what to expect. Oh wait, I missed something first. First of all, in every homework system that you see, you will see these buttons over here, which are the videos. So the same videos that are in the hippocampus, the same ones under the Becky's videos button that I talked about in the first video on my website and the YouTube channel. These are the same videos. It's just another way to get to them. So if you're in the middle of a problem and you're like, wow, I forget that, you can go back and watch one of the videos from that section. Now, with that being said, when I say we, I'm making the videos and another Ivy Tech instructor is embedding them. So there will be problems throughout Webwork that if you get it incorrect, a link will pop up that you can watch a video specific to that problem. So it'll be the same type of problem, just different numbers. So it's kind of like view an example. So you can see me talk through and work through a problem, and then you can go back and try the problem on your own. The only bad part is you don't see my face on those. You just hear my voice, which better than nothing. So please, though, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself with the homework sets. You need to go through the orientation. Webwork is kind of a picky beast in that the way you enter problems matters. So the orientation, it's not too long, right? 7 problems, but it's going to walk you through symbols to use, ways to input numbers. I would say the biggest issue my students had last semester was inputting answers. It wasn't the math that gave them a problem, it was how to input the answers. At any point in time with Webwork, if you have a question about, I think that answer is right, or I think I inputted it correctly and it's counting me wrong, send me an email. You have this email instructor button. I've been told that it is working because it's all, it's all linked through the internet. So from here, if you're doing, we're back in homework 2 and you're working on problem 7 and you're like, wow, I really think that 476 is right. Hit email instructor and say, I'm on homework 2, problem number 7. I think my answer is right. I can go into any of your homeworks and look at exactly what you typed in. So if you typed in 476 in this problem and you think it's right, leave it, because if you delete it, then I can't see it. So leave the problem or the answer that you think is correct. Shoot me an email, tell me what homework and what problem, and I can go in and look at it. This was programmed by a human, and you know that humans make mistakes, so it can happen. Now, one thing I want to show you, so if I think for this problem 476, I think that's the right answer. Now, if you hit check answer, This is going to tell you you are wrong. It looks like that's not in scientific notation. Great. Okay, so I'm going to change this answer. 4.76, oops, that's a 7. 4.76 times 10 raised to the 5th power. Now when I hit check answer, correct. Well, notice it says answer only checked, answer not recorded. If you don't hit submit answer, it's going to count you as wrong in the homework set. So when I go back and I look at your grade so I can record that in the grade book, it's going to come up that you didn't answer it correctly. So do make sure that for every problem you hit submit answer. That is crucial. One other thing I want to show you, we have this button, and I don't think it's there for every problem, but it's there for quite a few, and it's show me another. So if you are like, wow, that was, difficult, I want to try that one again, you can hit show me another, and it will give you same basic problem, but different words or different numbers. So you can try another one and work through it. Now the only issue is if you missed the original problem and you go to this when you get it right, it doesn't count as the problem. You have to go back to problem number 7. If I just close that screen, I have to answer the original problem in the homework set to get credit for that problem. Okay, show past answers. This allows you to see, so you might have, because you can try this as many times. You can type in 500 answers if you want. But after a while, if you're like, wow, I really think I already tried 476 past answers, this will show you what you've already typed in. And that's good for me too. If you're having an issue with a problem, I can go in and see what you've tried, and that will help me kind of see where you're at. Sometimes just on your answers, I can tell what mistake you're making in your math. Not this first section, there's not a whole lot to do, but when we get to different problems where there's 4 or 5 steps, sometimes I can see your answer like, oh, you skipped step 2 and that caused this problem. So that is one thing to look at. That's pretty much it, I think, on your end from the homework standpoint. But this will give you your status, what percentages you've gotten correct, and then the videos are on the side. So check it out. As you have questions, make sure you send me an email. And don't forget to change your password when you first log in. And we will go from there. So good luck, have fun, and let me know how I can help you. Thank you. One more thing. It's not showing up now because I don't think they're programmed in yet, but I'm pretty sure when you type in a problem and you submit it and it's wrong, there will be a tab that will show up, I'm guessing down here, that will say view an example, right? I think I mentioned it, but I don't know where it's going to show up. If you are working on a problem and you get it wrong and that button does not show up, that means that we, and when I say we, I mean Ivy Tech instructors in general, did not think that we needed a video for that problem. If you think we need a video to go with that problem, shoot me an email, because I'm the one who makes the videos, and say, hey, homework 2 number 6 needs a video, and I will go through and I will take this problem, I will change this number, and I will make a video and explain through it. So you guys kind of have the power to dictate what problems we have videos for if there's not one already done. And if you want it, I mean, I can make a video in 15-20 minutes and probably have it to you within the day. So make sure you're communicating to me what you need. All right, okay, I think I'm officially done with the Webwork intro. Let me know if there's more that you want to know about, and I can always make follow-up videos, but we'll start with it. So thanks, have a good day. Talk to you later.